for 90 seconds. Happy New Year!
Meow.
Holly says meow. 2025 is coming to an end.
I'm 16. I'm about to say
What would you say the temperature is? 60?
65, 61 degrees.
Today we made a promise to Holly that she could get chicken nuggets from Wendy's every year on the day of her bar mitzvah, because she said other people got chicken nuggets and didn't get her any. So her brother's going to do that for her every year. The little munchkins. Any words of wisdom for the upcoming year, Holly?
Don't explode.
Happy New Year. Thanks for watching Hollywood.